Coach Vigue's 2 best-selling books make great gifts. Order below.
Oh, my friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is a energy flow. Great in the morning, afternoon, or if you want energy at night, perhaps you're working late and you don't want to have coffee. You'd rather do a stretch with Coach Vigue. I got you covered. Subscribe, like, comment, share. All right, modify as needed. Let's start standing. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. We're going to do some slow flop down. So bend your knees a little bit, shoulders back and down, tuck in your shirt just like that. Ooh. And then tuck the chin. Exhale, dive down. Knees are bent. Release the spine. Let's decompress the spine. Inhale, stack it back up slowly. And then shoulders back and down. We open the chest. We're always enforcing good alignment. Tuck the chin. Exhale. Inhale up. Let's do it 3 more times. And energize the spine, energize the body. Get the neck nice and loose, stretching the backs of the legs. And 1 more time. Slow it down, slow it down. Bend the knees. Some blood to the brain. Oh, take an extra breath here. Feel nice and squishy in the low back. Inhale, rise up. Stacking, stacking, stacking. And a few shoulder rolls right here. Inhale, lift. Exhale, back. A random dog barks. 2 more times. Okay, take the feet wider right here. Wider. Let's do some twists to start. A little shimmy. Drop the shoulders back. Open the chest, keep the eyes forward. Like to churn the sides like butter. You ever see those butter churners? That's a visual I have. I don't really have much butter, no. Okay, 5 more breaths. Nice little twists. Find your range of motion, find where you are at, and then exploit it from there. All right, 1 more breath. You can put on the twist by Chubby Checker if you like. Okay, some active triangles. Open the foot. This foot turns in right here. The hip is open. We reach the arm up and then rise up and go to the other side. Take your time. Back and forth. Line up the heels. That sun feels good. Would you believe it? It's November here in the Rockies and it's about 55 today. Just lovely. Switch, hand here or the back of the hand to the inside of the leg. Woo. Getting the legs involved. Planting the feet. Great way to start the day, I must say. All right, 1 more time each side. Nice and smooth. Reach and lift. Okay. Reach and lift. Okay. Forward fold walks. Knees are soft. Come on down again. You can keep the hands here if you like, or bring it all the way down and walk the legs. Definitely a Coach Vigue staple. Bringing heat into the hamstrings and the calves. You feel that heat permeating the whole body. That's a beautiful thing. Your body starts to move. It starts to wake up like warm Play-Doh. Tuck the chin, relax the neck. We're learning all these valuable little, I guess they call them hacks. Is that the word? I'm not that hip, but we'll call them flexibility hacks. What'd you call me? Okay. Let's do 10 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knees are bent. Tuck the chin, rising up again. You're lubricating the spine, working those back muscles. Whew. Shoulders back and down. Let's come to a wide-legged position again. And we're going to add the extended triangle. So turn, hand here or back of the hand, and then reach. Big extension. It's active, so back and forth at your own speed. Inhale here, set it up, exhale, extend. Whew, I was flying all day yesterday, and boy, are my arms tired. It's terrible, just terrible. But if you want Coach Vigue to feel stiff and lethargic, have them sit a lot. Oh, that drives me crazy. I don't like sitting for very long. Oh, very good. Stretch it out. Whew. Let's do it one more time. To the side. All right. Now, wide-legged position. Point the feet forward. We're going to dive down. Let's do those flop downs with wide legs. 5 times. Tuck the chin. Take it slow. Control it. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. And then down. Start with the head. Crown of the head comes down. What's that? Okay. Ooh, and rise up. Let's do it one more time. Take the arms up a little bit. I've conquered this driveway. Tuck the chin, go down. Hold it for 3 breaths. Rock it side to side. All right, rise up. I got a little surprise here for you. So shoulders back and down. You got the strings here. Okay. Now, come on down. Take this right hand across. You can just stay with the forward fold or bring the hand across and lift up. Let's hold this for 5 breaths. Each inhale, twist. Exhale, lengthen. Oh, so good. In the nose, out the nose. Keep reminding yourself to breathe fully and completely. All right, other side. Good. Knees are soft. Feel it out a little bit. And on planes now, you get a little bottle of water and some kind of cookie. Like, what the heck is that? You have to bring your own meal on the plane now. Okay, bring it down. Wide-legged forward fold. Take 3 breaths, rocking side to side. Oh, the spine feels good. Bring it down to gate pose. Knee down, other leg comes out. Ooh, up and over. 3 breaths right here. Wind. That's such a nice stretch. Right down the side. Let's go to the other side. Whoop. Don't want to kneel on a pebble. Oh, that hurts. Okay, up and over. Oh, good, I got food on my pants. Oh, that's so nice. So good, my friend. Let's do it one more time. Pick up where you left off. Boom, out. And you can take this arm a little further up and over, sliding this hand down the leg. 3 breaths. Breathe in here, pooch out the abs. Look at that pooch, and then bring it back in. Can you feel the energy? Can you feel it? Other side. Bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do. Have you started listening to Christmas music yet? I did probably a month ago. Have to do some Christmas-themed workouts, perhaps. Oh, very good. Okay, bring it back. Let's come to a lying position and drop those legs side to side. A lot of dynamic movement in this flow. Windshield wipers, take the top leg, extend it out. Use those abs. Very important. In the morning, you get the abs and low back firing. Get your core involved because that's the whole center of your physical body. So you want this area in here to be firing, to have blood flow, to have some good mobility and flexibility. All right, one more time each side. Yes. Arms over the head if you wish. All right, my friends. Very nice. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Now, let's live. Let's conquer the day. Use that breath. Use that focus. Make it the best darn diddly day ever. That's what we're all about here at Sean Vigue Fitness. Thanks for training with me. And I am feeling electrified. it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.